inside the bodega. These guys built this real fast. We got this tanker. This is a 700-gallon tank. So this holds the water that's coming from the well. You can see the water coming from the well. Another good guess was about 7 gallons a minute was coming in. From the holding tank, and we've got some switches in the tank. So once the tank has got some water in it, and then we got this pump up here, bringing it into the two filters. The first filter is a sediment. The second one is a carbon filter. So those two filter out a lot of the impurities. And then the last piece of the system to purify the water is this UV light. This UV light is about 3 times more than what is needed to kill all of the E. coli and other bacteria in the water. And then it comes into this tank. That's the purified water. And then we got a switch there that'll switch the system off once this tank is full. And over here we have all of the electrical systems. So this box right here is a circuit breaker with 2 switches. One sends power to all of the boxes here, and the second is what turns on the pump and the filter system. So it's literally, they come in the morning, they turn on switch number 1, then they turn on switch number 2, and the system just works. And of course it'll shut off whenever either one of the tanks are full. Over here we have the inverter that takes the 96 volts DC, converts it into 120, which powers the pump and the UV light. Here's the controller for the solar power. So that's connected to the solar panels outside, and then recharges all the batteries down here. So we got 8 batteries wired in series to create 96 volts, which is what was required for the well pump. And then over here is the well pump controller. So it takes 96 volts and sends it to the pump in the well. It also has a couple switches connected to that to shut off the pump if the holding tank is full. Was made by Jose Carlos, which is a young man that we're helping to learn how to weld. Working with a welder here in town, Neptali, doing a fantastic job. Built that for us. You'll notice we have 4 panels. One of them looks a little different than the other 3. We had a little incident. We had a sudden impact with one of the solar panels with a concrete chair, and the concrete chair won. So we had to go out and buy another solar panel. Countryside. Up there on the top of the hill, just a beautiful view of the community. But also, unfortunately, I don't know if you can tell, but a lot of the smoke that comes from the trash dump comes right over here. So not the best air to be breathing. There's a barn. Listo como el pisto. Frío. Ya.
Agua
Eso
pura.
es.
Agua pura, Ron. Sí. Agua pura.